Social media, it's gonna be a real tearjerker.
Today's day 22. You know, if it wasn't for the existential terror of staring into the literal void of space, I'd say I'm feeling a little better today.
Oxygen will run out tomorrow morning, and that'll be it.
And Pep, I know I said no more surprises, but I gotta say I was really hoping to pull off one last one.
Don't feel bad about this. I mean, actually, if you grovel for a couple weeks, and then move on with enormous guilt, please know, when I drift off, it'll be like every night lately. I'm fine, totally fine.